Hi, I'm Mike Massimino. I'm an astronaut, professor at Columbia University, and author. I'm also very active in various mediums promoting the values of science and education. You may have seen some of that work on various podcasts and TV shows, including my guest appearances on The Big Bang Theory. I'm thrilled to have the opportunity to continue that work at this year's Learning Solution Conference, taking place in Orlando this April. I'll be joining the event as a keynote speaker, where I'll be exploring the important role that education and training has played in my life and career, including examples from my work in space on projects like repairing the Hubble Space Telescope and my work in media, blending the worlds of science, education, and pop culture. I hope you can join me for an exciting and fun event exploring the important role that learning plays in our life and in our work. I look forward to seeing you there.